Hey guys, I have a question for you. I'm trying to do the PLC SIM. There was a request on the previous video to look at how to use the TIA portal and the PLC SIM together. So I thought it was a great idea, and I've been wondering how to do that myself. And so I thought it would be as easy as just turning on my PLC SIM and turning on my TIA portal, but I'm having this issue, so possibly one of you guys can help me out. So what I've done so far is I've just created a program. If I go to my device configuration and I open this guy up, I've got the same PLC as I've been using in all the previous videos. The AC/DC relay, specifically the 1212C. So everything's set up the way that I normally have it for communicating with my PLC. I've done a simple 2-wire control in my main OB1. So I just have one tag here with a normally open contact with %M0.0 and an output at Q0.0. If I go back to my device configuration, well, let's do this, my main OB1. I've compiled it here, and there's no errors and no warnings. If I go back to my device configuration, and I try to download to the device, hardware and software changes. Then it comes up with this. I go to this guy right here. It doesn't have an option at the moment. And it says the selected interface has no network connection. So I thought, all right, possibly I need to turn on my PLC SIM. So I go down to my Siemens. I go and open up my PLC SIM version 14. Comes up with this image right here, and I go to load it, still nothing, so maybe I need to turn this simulator on. And at that point, once I start turning it on, you can see that this comes up. Let's see if it has an option. Still no option there, so nothing to load, so I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to download to the device my hardware and software configurations again. Okay, at this point I now have the ability to connect in through that interface. So I'm going to start a search. Okay, and it says it's found the simulator 192.168.10.1. Okay, scan and information retrieval completed. Okay, one compatible device of accessible devices found. Okay, so 192.168.10.1. If I hit load, it looks good. If I hit load again, watch what happens. It says error while loading. Loading has been aborted. Download to device. Error downloading to the module PLC.1. So I'm not sure what's going on. If I go to here and I go to properties and I scroll down, I have the same IP address 192.168.10. Okay, this is 0. Let me try and get rid of this then. Maybe I just didn't see that correctly. Okay, let me try that again. So I'm going to download to device, hardware and software changes. Okay, I'm going to start the search once again. Okay, looks good. And we'll hit load again. Again, everything looks good, but when I hit load, it says error downloading to the device. So I'm not sure what's going on. I can't put this into run mode. And I'm consistently having this issue right here. So if you can help me here on if I've missed a key step there, I have gone and tried to update my PLC SIM and my TA portal. It looks like there's a new version right here for either one of these guys. So I've so far downloaded the PLC SIM. I will download the new TIA portal as well. So I'll start that guy now. And I'll install those guys, but I am at a loss as to why this PLC simulator is not working. This is the first time that I've had something with Siemens where it's not working right away, and it's very frustrating. So if you can leave me some ideas in the comment section below. If you've had this issue before, I'd greatly appreciate it. All right, guys, thanks very much. Hope to hear from you soon.